Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to view your recently deleted apps on Android. So let's start. First, open Google Play Store. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and go to My Apps and Games. Under the update section you'll see the recent updates. Now go to Library and you'll see all the apps you have recently deleted from your phone. And if you want to install any of the apps, then tap on Install. And if you want to remove any of the apps, then tap on the cross icon. Now let's install Pinterest again. And I'll remove this one. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.